Hello guys, so today I will teach you how to create a flow um, that will trigger an email based of um, if the specific column has been changed. So let's start. Um, First, I will create a um, flow, and then I will choose when an item. Okay, so it's loading when an item is created or modified, and then I will choose my site, and then I will choose my SharePoint list, and then I will get changes action, and then I will choose again my site, and then this perhaps training tracker, and then I will choose the ID, and then since I will search trigger window start token, and then the until is I leave it blank. Okay, because to I don't know if when will stop. Okay, so I'll just leave blank, and then new step I will search send HTTP SharePoint, and then I will choose again my site, and then the URI will be this. Just type this type, type this code, and then I will change the um, list SharePoint list name into my SharePoint list name, and then the item will be ID, this ID, and then close parenthesis, and then just type slash versions, and then open and close, and then just go to the inside of the open and close, and then copy this code, and then if you are on the inside of parenthesis, just go to expression, and then paste it here. Okay, and then okay, click OK. And now create a new step, condition. Okay, so the condition will be has. Okay, so has column change status is equal to true. I will just add a row, and status is equals to completed. So I have a two condition. If the status has been changed, and if the status will be changed to completed. Okay, so let's try, and then I will add an action, send email, send email, v2, and then just type your address, and then I will just test and then test. Okay, I